how to transfer money from prepaid card to PayPal. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from a prepaid card to PayPal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is log into the PayPal website or the mobile app. Over here, go to the wallet page. After that, select the option to link a credit card. Then input the details of your prepaid card. If the prepaid card is accepted, it will show up in your wallet. After that, go back to the home page and select the option to add or transfer money into your PayPal account. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If the prepaid card is not accepted or does not appear in your wallet, it will not be possible to use that specific card to transfer money. So, that's how you can transfer money from a prepaid card to PayPal. That's all for this video.